Good day. Today you are all together with the Technorat Master YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce you to Tesla car. Detailed introduction to the Tesla car. Thoughtful. Tesla cars are electric vehicles, EVs, manufactured by Tesla Inc., an American company founded in 2003 by engineers Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, later joined and led by Elon Musk, who played a key role in its funding and vision. Tesla's core mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Short pause. 1. Electric powertrain. Tesla cars are fully electric, meaning they operate without internal combustion engines. Instead, they use lithium-ion battery packs to power electric motors. These systems offer high energy efficiency, instant torque, and require less maintenance compared to traditional vehicles. 2. Battery and charging. Tesla vehicles are equipped with advanced battery technology. Range, depending on the model, Tesla cars can drive 400 to 600 primary kilometers on a single charge. Charging, Tesla has its own network of superchargers that allow rapid charging across the globe. Cars can also be charged at home with wall connectors. Short pause. 3. Autopilot and full self-driving, FSD. Tesla is a leader in self-driving tech. Autopilot, an advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, that can steer, accelerate, and brake on highways. Full self-driving, FSD, in beta, aims to provide autonomous driving in city streets, recognizing traffic lights, pedestrians, and navigating intersections. 4. Design and technology. Tesla vehicles are known for their futuristic design. Exterior aerodynamic bodies with smooth minimalist lines. Interior, clean dashboards dominated by a central touchscreen up to 17 inches, which controls navigation, media, climate, and settings. Software cars receive over-the-air OTA updates, adding features or improving performance. 5. Performance. Tesla cars are among the fastest production vehicles. Model S Plaid, 0 to 100 km in under 2 seconds. Electric all-wheel drive, and high-performance motors deliver a smooth yet powerful driving experience.